Uh, Hello to everyone. I'm going to talk about the final exam of English. So I'm going to talk with speaking examination. So let's start. My neighborhood. My neighborhood is situated in Ombosa. Near there are many schools and parks. We can also find several restaurants and many shops. Second, I want to talk about my neighbors. About my neighbors, I don't have much to say since I don't know many people that live around me. But also I can say that the few people that I know are very cordial and respectful people. Mm, Today I'm going to talk about my job. About my work, I must say that I work as a driver of the SATP. In this work, I have been working for 4 years. Um, Although that is not very easy job, but it's more say that I like what I do because of this work I have achieved everything that I have. Now I want to talk about my family. My family is integrated by my wife, Jamie. She is 13 years old and she works as an advisor of a bank. The other is my son. She called Nicolas. He is 14 years old and study at the schools, and also he is on a football schools, and he play in a position of Falcao Garcia. So he do many goals when he plays in the team. The other, my daughter is she calls Dana, and she is 10 years. And he is in the schools, and also she is in an academy or dance because she loves many to dance. So thanks very much.